build this again, and then we show everyone like everything that we build. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to the Little Learning Corner. I am Skylar, and this is my friend Lily. Today we're gonna play with magnets. We're just gonna build whatever we want. Here's some. I'm gonna show you guys some pictures in here. Here's some. And if you like playing with these, you can maybe tell us. Yeah. After the video. Comment down below if you like to play with magnets. Or different kinds. Yeah. I'll dope it out. Yeah. I'll get it. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm on board. Jesus. Okay. Oh, scared me. Okay. These are the ones that Lily likes. I like basically like this one. I like that one. Yeah, the castle one. Yeah. Let's start building. Now, what should I build? I want to build something. I know what I want to build. I know what I want to build. I got a good idea. We can make like a build like one of these, Skylar. I won't. I'm gonna try to make this. And then after this, this is pink. I want to make. Oh, we have to take the letters out. Oh, it'll be hard. Do it. Take the letters out so it's easier, like to build. We'll show you when you're done what we made. Yeah. And we'll show you what we made. Did you already play with magnets? Have you ever played with magnets before? Because we have. And I need another one of these. Oh yeah. I can't use them.
What kind of shapes are included in the?
We got squares, triangles. This is hard. And wheels. So.
It looks like you have letters and numbers.
Yeah. I'm gonna figure out what she's doing soon. What? One day. What, girlfriend? What you saying, girlfriend? What you saying, girlfriend? I want to make it really big. Scarlet, I'm making that look. That's not. Wait, that's how you make it? Yeah. I already made it. Now I'm just gonna turn it into us. How do you do that? I don't know how. Let's try to make it easy like that. I already made that. Oh, I need lots of squares, and you have too much squares. Do you use mine as it? Mine's pretty cool. I want to use the one that I'm making. I want to use these, but don't take all of those. No, don't go. Do that. Don't do that. Because I have a whole pack of it now. And now it's already filled. What's something? Yeah. And I already made the roof. Actually, I'm broke. It's broken. You got a lot of reminders now. No, you have a lot. Oh, that's a lot more squares. Still doesn't mean it. I need a lot more squares. I think I'm gonna do that. I got it made. I made it.
Maybe you guys can look at a picture and find something that you want to make together.
Oh, this. Me too. I got one of them. I got one. Me too. Like this. You have to use these squares. Do you see the squares in there on the bottom? You see closely? Yeah, but it's on the side ones. That's hard to make. I can probably. Okay. Then I'm going to make something else. This is so hard. See? My dad can do it so easily. Then ask him. Daddy, can you help me? To make this. That star thing. And he built it before. Daddy! He's gonna help us make the star. Look what I made. The star. The star one. And here are some of these. Yeah. I already got some, but I just made a cool thing. I just made that thing. And then I was gonna make something else. Yay, it's gonna be good too. Because it's easy, probably. Oh my gosh! Lily! Look, it's like a tent. Oh yeah, but it doesn't look so good.
You guys want to finish it?
Yeah!
Triangles here.
Then you need 2 squares.
2 squares. Maybe you guys can do it.
Let's finish. No, I'm gonna go here. Ow! We're trying to go on the other side. Now, 2 squares.
Are you adjust it again? I'm gonna pull it back.
Wait. We just need one more. One more. One more. Yay! We're done. Lily, how about we build this again and then we show everyone like everything that we build. Okay, let's Okay, so we need 2 squares.
Actually, 3.
Yeah. No, 4.
Oh yeah, 5.
4. Okay, so
Oh, you didn't need that part.
Stop. Yes, we do. Look.
We need a bottom for it.
Really?
Oh
What is it?
yeah. I thought you said we were building this. Oh yeah, we're building that, right?
Just need that. Not enough. Let's try to work this out. And we don't have enough squares either. What I do? Let's wreck it. I'm gonna wreck this. Shoo! Shoo! Come on. Oh yeah, that's awesome, Lily. I made it. I thought I could make it. Look, Skylar, it's like slicing you. Slicing you. Wait, let me try. Can I try?
Put it in this thing.
If you like this video, subscribe and hit the bell button and give a thumbs up and comment down below if you like this video.
I made a good one.